Found these chanterelles, probably what, a couple hundred yards from my house in a wooded area. Go ahead and pick them. These mushrooms go for about, what is it, $35 per 100 grams. I'll probably collect a couple hundred grams here. So that's the dry weight, I assume. I don't know what the wet weight is. After a few hours in the food dehydrator, these chanterelle mushrooms, I lost a lot of weight. So I had, what, probably 120 grams worth of fresh mushrooms. Now 120 grams down to 13 grams. So almost a tenfold reduction in weight. So that's quite a bit. So, but I'll put these in a plastic bag, double bag them, and put them in the freezer and decide what I'm going to do with them. Make some dish out of the mushrooms here.